Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 4. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed how to round off the numbers to the nearest 10. In this video we will learn how to round off the numbers to the nearest 100 and 1000. Today our topic is rounding of the numbers to the nearest 100, 1000 and 10,000. Rules for rounding of the numbers to the nearest 10. For rounding of the numbers to the nearest 10, we consider the digit in its units place. And for rounding of the numbers to the nearest 100, we consider the digit in the tens place. If we want to round up the numbers to the nearest 1000, we consider the digit in the hundreds place. And if we want to round up the numbers to the nearest 10,000, for rounding of the numbers to the nearest 10,000, we consider the digit in the thousands place. Now we will discuss the rounding of the numbers to the nearest 100. Rounding of the numbers to the nearest 100. Here we have the number 145. How we will round it off? Do you have any idea? Let me tell you. If we want to round off the number to the nearest 145, we will see that 145 is between 100 and 200. I repeat, to the nearest 100, we will see that this number lies between 100 and 200. So, how we will round it off? The digit in its tens place is 4. To round off the numbers to the nearest 100, we will see that the digit in its tens place, that is 4. And 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. Now we will draw it on the number line. On the number line, we will see that where the 4 lies. 4 lies nearer to 0. I repeat, 4 lies nearer to 0 than 10. So we will round it off to the previous 100. We will round it off as 100 because 145 is nearest to 100. Rounding of the numbers to the nearest 100, the next number is 155. The next number is 155 and it lies between 100 and 200. 155 comes after the 100 and before 200. Now we will see the digit in its tens place, that is 5, and 5 is equals to 5. I repeat, 5 is equals to 5. Now we will draw it on the number line. Here we can see that 5 lies nearer to 10. So we will round it off to the next number. 155 is nearly equals to 200. 578 is the next number. As we can see that 578 lies between 500 and 600. 578 is greater than 500 and it is less than 600. So, we will see the digit in its tens place, and that is 7. And 7 is greater than 5. I repeat, 7 is greater than 5. So we will draw it on the number line. On the number line, 7 is placed nearer to 10. 7 is placed nearer to 10. So we will round it off to the next number. So we can say that 578 is nearly equals to 600. I repeat, 578 is nearly equals to 600. Now we will discuss the rounding of the numbers to the nearest thousand. Here we have the number 566. We will round it to the nearest thousand, as it lies between 0,000 and 1,000. So we will see the digit in its hundreds place. The digit in its hundred place is 5, and that is equals to 5. If we draw it on the number line, we can see that 5 lies nearer to 10. 5 lies nearer to 10. So we will round it off to the nearest thousand, that is 1000. We can say that 566 is nearly equals to 1000. Now we have the number 1234. As 1234 lies between 1000 and 2000, as this number is greater than 1000 and less than 2000. So we will see the digit in its hundred place, that is 2. And 2 is less than 5. 2 is less than 5. We will draw it on the number 9. As 2 lies nearer to 0, so we will round it down to the nearest 10. So we can say that 1234 is nearly equals to 1000. 1834, as this number lies between 1000 and 2000. I repeat, this number also lies between 1000 and 2000. We will see the digit in its hundred place. The digit in its hundreds place is 8, and that is greater than 5. I repeat, this number 8 is greater than 5. We will place it on the number line. We will see that 8 is nearer to 10. So we will round it off to the next number. So we can say that 1834 is nearly equals to 2000. In this video we have discussed how to round up the numbers to the nearest hundred and thousand. In the next video we will learn addition of the numbers. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.